Hi, I'm Caleb, and in about 1 minute I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a portrait in Photoshop. So we're going to start by selecting the Object Selection tool. We can drag a box around the subject. It'll select the subject, and we can use the Quick Selection tool to clean it up. So here you can add to the selection or subtract from the selection. We're going to subtract. You can increase your brush size here, or you can use the bracket keys to increase it and decrease it. And we're just going to clean this up a little bit. Actually, for this picture, it looks like that's all we need to do. Maybe add a little bit of fur here. And then we're going to select and mask. It's going to remove this. If the background doesn't disappear, check your transparency. It might be set to 0. So let's set that to 100. And then we're going to smooth this out. So you can drag or manually input the number. Let's put it on about 75. So what that does is it's smoothing the edges around the selection. Okay? And then we're going to lightly feather it. You don't want to do too much, maybe like 2. And that also helps smooth out the selection. Right? And just to give you an idea of exactly what that does, let's max it out. See, so it's basically blurring around the selection. So let's leave it on about, I usually do 2, but let's do 4 for this one. The fur plays some interesting havoc on the image. Do 5. And that looks pretty good. We can hit OK. And then we want to add a mask. So we click this button down here at the bottom. Boom. The background from the portrait has been removed. The edges have been smoothed out, and this image is ready for use. That's it. You remove the background in about 1 minute.